Crusher's top 10 charts of the week. For the most part, it's been another good week for Crypto Crusher. Just looking at the top 10 trades, we have mostly long trades open, and the crypto market ended the week on a very strong note because of the solid non-farm payrolls report. And so I think that we'll continue to see some strength in cryptocurrencies. When we talked in our webinar on Monday, I talked about how there was a good possibility that we would see that we've seen the cryptocurrencies bottom out. And I think there's a very good chance that, the rally that we saw on Friday could very well continue. So, in terms of open trades as of Friday, Ethereum, we're long Ethereum. The chart printed at 1607. At the time of recording, it's up about to 1685, about 5%, which is a very, very nice move. Target at 1712, so we're watching that first target quite closely. Solana not doing as well, but that's okay because we hit a profit target on Ripple. Ripple profit target hit overnight, and it's still looking like a pretty good trade. Nothing going on Cardano. Avalanche also looking quite nice. This one, I believe, actually hit profit target because I'm looking at the real-time quote right now, and it's 24.43. And the high was, well, it hasn't. The high, 24.77 was the high. So that first profit target has been hit as well. And Polkadot is also a long trade. 840 was our profit target, and the high was 856. So that also has been hit. Doge, when we did our Monday recording, I talked about how I don't think Doge is a good trade to be short. So hopefully all of you have gotten out. And then Litecoin, we are in the long trade, and we did not hit profit target. 62.35 is the high. But I think, we should in over weekend trade or the coming week. Overall, as I said, it's been a relatively good week for crypto. We didn't have anything going on in Bitcoin. Binance hit the first target and the second target the day before. And Cardano hit our first target last week. We didn't have any new trades. I encourage you to download the, for those of us, so overall, we've caught some really good setups in Crypto Crusher. In terms of the top 10 charts, taking a look at Bitcoin, we're bottoming out in Bitcoin. Looks like it wants to rally, go up to 24,000. This is after 7 straight days of declines or no gains in Bitcoin. So I do believe that we will probably be in a situation that we should be able to see further strength in Bitcoin, especially after this very, very strong report from the U.S. non-farm payrolls. Ethereum, we are in a long trade. It hasn't quite hit profit, although it did 1726 because our profit target is 1712. Crypto Crusher charts only update once a day. So, when we get the update tonight at 9 p.m., that will update to show that Ethereum has hit first profit target. And I think it could continue higher. Binance, looking positive as well, although there is, stopping right at these swing highs. When it comes to crypto, swing highs, swing lows are very important resistance and support levels. So, please keep an eye on that. Avax rallying a bit. Avax also looking a bit positive and looking like it wants to turn upwards, which is nice. But it's got a triangle formation, so it is still consolidative. And I think overall primed to a break to the upside. And I think that's the direction we're looking at. Litecoin rebounding. There is quite a bit of resistance above. 63 is the 100 SMA. 64.50 is the highest we've seen since June. So that's going to be the level to watch in Litecoin. Solana, bouncing off the 50 SMA does not look that great. We are short Solana, so I guess that's okay. But overall, I would say that Solana is, struggling a little bit and underperforming its peers. Polkadot, same story, very subdued rally. 9 is resistance in Polkadot, and a bit of support below. So we'll have to see what happens. But that's basically what we're looking at. Cardano's got 55 cents, right under 55 cents, 53 cents resistance. Cardano is not doing anything. And I think for the most part, it is clear that Cardano is just consolidative. And with regards to Cardano in general, I would say that, it is in a situation where it's probably going to underperform and maybe even struggle a little bit. So, we'll have to see what all of that means. And then actually, we have two more. Ripple also relatively subdued move. Nothing really, all that exciting there. But overall, we do see Cardano Ripple just kind of consolidating, and 40 is resistance, and support is going to be at 35 cents. Last but not least, we have Doge rebounding a little bit. We had that short signal in Doge. I would not be short. I think that we're probably going to see further gains. I think we see a near-term bottom in Doge, and so I would focus more on the upside in this opportunity. So that's basically your top 10 crypto charts. I want to thank you all for listening, and I want to wish you all a great trading week.